Manual invoice processing is often slow, tedious, and error-prone. It involves several steps including receiving emails, verifying their accuracy, transferring data into a system, and processing the subsequent payments. This process can become complicated when dealing with a high volume of invoices, leading to delays, inaccuracies, and increased operational costs. Imagine you're an accountant at a mid-sized company. Every day you spend hours manually processing invoices. The high volume of invoices means you often face delays and potential errors, leading to frustrated vendors and increased operational costs. To simplify your work and reduce these inefficiencies, we introduce Autopal's automated invoice processing capability, powered by Microsoft's Power Automate. This automation streamlines the entire process, reducing the need for human intervention and minimizes errors. Microsoft Automate provides various pre-built APIs to different systems. For this demo, we will use ServiceNow as our example, as well as an Excel document as our non-system data collection point. The flow begins when an incoming email with one or more invoices is received. Power Automate loops through and processes the attached invoices, extracting key information like the customer name, the due date, the due balance, and the shipping address. With the extracted data, the automated flow then makes a call to the ServiceNow API to create a new record in our invoice management application in ServiceNow. Additionally, the extracted data is automatically added to an Excel document, acting as our non-system data collection point. To eliminate inconsistencies, we're also able to configure our process to verify invoice data against existing purchase orders in our system. Depending on a match or mismatch of data, the process sends out a corresponding email. By leveraging Microsoft's Power Automate and integrating it with systems like ServiceNow, Autopal significantly reduces manual efforts, minimizes errors, and cuts down on costs. This ensures accuracy, efficiency, and consistency in handling financial documents, making your job easier and your workday more productive. Thank you for considering Autopal.